Wamalwa hints at dumping opposition and joining Wetangula Mudavadi ahead of 2027. Former Defense Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa has declared plans to form a strategic coalition with Speaker Moses Wetangula and Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi. This proposed alliance aims to consolidate political forces within Western Kenya ahead of the 2027 general election. Wamalwa emphasized that the partnership is designed to strengthen regional unity through their parties, DAP and Ford Kenya. He clarified that the primary objective is to prioritize the region's interest, not to extend support to President William Ruto administration. ABK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.